In this video, we will go over how to change the default page after logging into the WordPress installation. We will be utilizing the built-in WordPress filter to change it to the overview page of the MainWP dashboard. After installing the custom dashboard extension, from your MainWP dashboard, navigate to Extensions, Custom Dashboard, and then PHP tab. Add the code snippet. Click Save Changes button. Navigate to the WordPress dashboard where your MainWP is installed. Go to Tools, Theme File Editor. On the right, locate the theme functions.php file and click on it. Note that if you are not using a child theme, a theme update will overwrite this file. So, in that case, you can insert the snippet using a plugin like Code Snippets. Add the following code snippet to the end of the file. Click the Update File button. The code snippet and a link to the plugin are in the article below.